Hi and welcome back. Imagine you browse through IKEA website and then you encounter this new chair. Oh, looks great and it's new. Hold your money, not so fast. Before you buy it, there is lot of things you should consider. Overall size with 58 centimeters, depth 63 centimeters, and height 100 centimeters. Let's take a closer look. The backrest and the seat looks good. Material using polyurethane foam. The padding is not too thick. There is a handle to slide the seat. Frame using steel. Looks strong and sturdy. There is a knob to adjust the seat height. You need to turn and pull this knob. And another one to adjust the backrest height. Number 1. You cannot swivel. I repeat, you cannot turn around or swivel, so you are stuck in one position. Number 2. You can easily move the chair to anywhere you want. But when you sit on the chair, you cannot move it. It is locked automatically. Once again, you are stuck. You cannot move at all. Imagine, you work in front of your desk. When you want to move or change position, you cannot do it. You have to stand up, slide the chair, and sit again. For me, it is annoying and not practical. Number 3. IKEA said this chair is suitable for kids with height from 115 until 185 centimeters. Maybe it is okay for small kids. But when they grow bigger and taller, the seat won't be good and big enough for them. Number 4. The backrest is kinda hard and not comfortable for bigger kids and teenagers. Even though you can adjust it a little bit, it is not making a lot of difference. Number 5. You can adjust the seat height by turning this knob, pull it, and then slide the seat up or down. But when I tried, it is not that easy. The same thing goes for the backrest. Even though it's easier, I still find it annoying. And finally, if you look at the chair, the lowest position is kinda weird to me. So I don't know, maybe it's just my imagination. By the way, if you happen to see this one, IKEA Gundrik, this is also the same as IKEA Dagnar. The difference lies in color and armrest. Available in turquoise and yellow color. By the way, the padding is thicker, but it's still not helping at all. So, in my opinion, you should save your money and instead choose this option. IKEA Overjal Children Chair, IKEA Vimun, IKEA Malskar Lobergut, and IKEA Overjal Swivel Chair. Remember, this option is not 100% perfect, but they are far more easy and practical to use. And of course, cheaper. Okay, that's it. If you find this video helpful, consider to subscribe or hit the like button to help us grow. See you later in the next video. and bye bye.